Breaking news that's coming in: the Finance Ministry has announced that no proposal of new scheme or sub-scheme which comes under Standing Finance Commission and Expenditure Finance Commission will be stalled in 2021, except the proposals under PM Garib Kalyan Package, Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan, and any other special packages related to the coronavirus and attempts to battle the coronavirus. Let me go across to Tanvi Shukla, who's joining me on the phone line. Tanvi, all right, we'll just go to Tanvi in just a minute. Those are the details coming in. The government has held any new schemes except those that have been announced specifically for COVID relief. So initiation of new approved schemes have been suspended until March 2021. Tanvi is with us at this point in time. Tanvi, this comes, obviously we know that the kind of pressure the government finances are under, both states and at the centre level, and this is of course an attempt to try and ensure that only packages related to coronavirus will go through.
Yes, absolutely. So what has happened is that this is the government acknowledging that now we have to really look out for where we are spending our money and use it wherever it is only absolutely necessary. So the government in the circular, the Finance Ministry is actually recognizing that there is an unprecedented strain on the resources and that they have to need their resources, use those resources more prudently, which effectively means that apart from the Pradhan Mantri Garib Kalyan Yojana and the expenditure that has been announced under that, as well as the Atmanirbhar package, which actually isn't so much about spending, but more about how the companies and people can borrow money. Only ones that will stay as is. For all other new schemes, even those for this year that have got in principle approval from the ministry already, will be suspended. Now, this suspension will be until the end of this financial year, which is say March 2021. Or if the government believes before that if situation improves or there is a need, then they can always relook at it and issue a fresh notification. But until then, no new expending schemes will be taken up unless there is something required in relation to COVID. Even those that have been already approved will be suspended, maybe reviewed at a later stage and then rolled out. So this is effectively what the government is saying, that there is an unprecedented demand on the government money and the government public resources, which is why we have to right now prioritize and see what can be used in what form.
Absolutely, Tanvi. In fact, we saw some of the state governments as well doing the same thing. For example, in Maharashtra, and now, of course, similarly, Centre is also doing the same thing. Thanks so much for joining.